Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now, I just want to give you an update on the progress of our Anna apple tree and our golden Dorsett apple trees. You see the broadening of the leaves? We gave you an update late September of last year. We amended the soil in August of last year with sulfur pellets. Now, when you do that, the sulfur will dissolve slowly over time, and when it mixes with water, it creates hydrosulfuric acid, which in turn acidifies your soil. But these leaves, I've never seen them this large on the Anna apple tree. So this is telling me that the soil amendment is working. And these are greener than I've ever seen as well. This is the golden Dorsett. These leaves are broadening as well. So the dark green leaves mixed with the broadening of them is a really good indication as to the health of the soil. Now here we are. Here's the other golden Dorsett on the other side of the property. It's also looking very nice. I mean, these leaves are even more broad than the one that we just looked at. But we're seeing more foliage, and it's just the beginning of, the hot time of the year. So this is a really good sign, and this tells us we're moving in the right direction when it comes to our soil amendments. What I am going to be doing going forward is I'm going to be taking and digging deep and around the base of these apple trees and adding lots of organic material for them to feed off of, because I really want to see these things become successful in the years to come. Anyhow, don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps the channel out a lot. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these apple trees. Have a good day.